How to delete Game Pass on Please Donate. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps and how you can delete Game Pass on Please Donate. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick to this video. In order to delete Game Pass on Please Donate, first what you'll have to do is you'll have to exit the game. So simply tap on the Roblox there and tap on leave and you can leave it. Now the next step is now you will have to do it on your PC, right? So I'll be showing you here on roblox.com here on web browser. So if you're doing it on your phone, make sure to switch to desktop side by tapping on three dots at the top right. If you're on Chrome, and switching to desktop side and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, now I'll have to zoom in here. So you can see the create option. You'll find it on your desktop easily. You don't have to zoom in. So tap on create here. Once you tap on create, you'll be headed into create.roblox.com. You can also directly head into create.roblox.com and easily log in, right? From here, you'll find the hamburger icon at the left-hand side, at the top left. And from here, you want to head into the option that says creations. So you can see creations option, tap on creations. And now from my experiences, you want to tap on the particular creation that will basically be with the name there. You want to simply tap on it, right? And once you tap on it, now I don't have it, but I'll be showing you here. Creations, tap on it, open it up, tap on the hamburger icon at the left hand side or the dashboard option. And from here, you want to simply find the option that says monetization, and under it, you'll find the passes option. Tap on passes and now you'll be able to view the passes and you'll find the number of passes here. All you got to do is simply tap on it and go ahead and delete it or disable it. So this is how you can easily delete Game Pass on Please Donate. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.